Today we're talking about this beautiful halation effect, which is pretty common and very nostalgic. To turn your videos and style from this to that. See these little halations here and there? Is there halation? I don't know. It's not edited yet, okay? Chill. No, I'm not sure if this setup works for me, because usually when people do like tutorials, they have like a desk and a table and you will know. Jesus Christ! What? What do you say about this? I like that? I'm not sure. Not sure about this. It is 2025 and it's time for another tutorial. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lifted Eric. I haven't said this in years. I know we haven't heard from each other in a while, but here I am. And as a late Christmas gift, I've got something special for you. Now, back in the day when you shot videos and film, the last layer on the film was actually an anti-halation layer. It was a black layer which was designed to absorb the light. But if the light was too bright, it bounced off that layer back into the red layer, which was the final color layer. And that's what created this iconic red, beautiful halation. Nowadays with phone cameras and digital cameras, we don't have that natural process anymore, so we have to recreate it. And to help recreate this look, I made a free halation plugin. This plugin is fully adjustable, it's super easy to use and absolutely free. To get this plugin, simply click the link in the description and download the zip folder. Navigate to your movies folder, find motion templates and find the titles folder. Create a Lifted Eric folder in there so you don't forget about me, and throw the full halation folder right in there. Now once you restarted Final Cut Pro, you will find the plugin under titles. Now hit the subscription button right underneath the video. Drag the plugin into your timeline. Straight out of the box you will notice... What? This was not scripted. So straight out of the box, you will notice this beautiful soft halation effect around the bright areas of your video. When you open the inspector window on the right, here's where you can find the fine tune to your needs. The amount slider controls how intense the halation is. The limiter slider should better call threshold, but I called it limiter because I'm a little bit stupid. But anyway, you can use it as a threshold since it sets the brightness level where the halation begins. Of course, you can adjust the saturation to make it more colorful or desaturated. The blur softens the halation edges for dreamy effect, and even change the color to create cool transitions. I know the halation effect is usually red, but you know, it gives you the freedom to go crazy or whatever. There's also a side blur feature which blurs out the edges to make your footage a little bit more vintage. You can use the mask feature to amplify the effect on the sides of your video, and when you need to move things around, the transform tools let you reposition the halation effect and get creative with that. There's a subscription button underneath the video to subscribe to my channel, and there's a dust, grain and film look slider to finish up the plugin to make it the best one-click halation film look plugin you've ever seen. Now there you go, download that stuff, try it out. Don't forget to tag me whenever you use it. I can't wait to see what you guys create with that. Hit the subscribe button and share it with your Final Cut Pro friends, and I see you guys soon. Much love, Eric.